Hello everyone, I'm Devashu Tripathi from University of California, Riverside. I'm going to present our paper, Slumber, Static Power Management for GPGPU Register Files. GPGPU have become one of the most promising high-performance computing engines. In order to enable frequent thread switching without paying a context switching penalty, GPUs incorporate large register files where the context of each thread is stored in a dedicated physical register. It accounts for a large fraction of chip area and power consumption, which has grown over the years as the computing capability of the recent microarchitecture increases. Many times, the warps cannot be scheduled due to the data dependency or structural hazards in the pipeline, resulting in huge register file underutilization. It has been observed that on an average, there is 789 cycles gap between two subsequent accesses to the same register. So can we leverage this information to save leakage power? Yes, the existing leakage power reduction technique is power gating. Though it is effective in minimizing the leakage power, however, the storage structures are state retentive. Power gating them will wipe out their contents. So the undervolting the register file to a state retentive undervolting level, also called drowsy voltage, would save significant amount of leakage energy without sacrificing its contents. Since undervolting or power gating comes at an overhead, it is important to note that these techniques can only be applied when the idle period length is greater than a specific threshold or break-even time. However, there are instances where the idle periods are shorter. So in order to account for those, we go for different levels of undervolting. Break-even time can be reduced by changing the undervolting level at the expense of little more energy. In order to select the optimum undervolting levels, we explore the frequency of occurrence of each idle cycle. And then we define three different levels of undervolting, namely off or 0 volts, deep sleep or 0.3 volts, shallow sleep or 0.9 volts. Let us discuss the conditions for enabling various undervolting levels. First, static compiler analysis identifies the type of next register access and classifies it as read or write. All the registers are in the off mode to begin with. It is power gated when the register is not allocated by the thread block scheduler, warp has finished, or it is waiting for a long latency ALU or memory operation. The register is in deep sleep mode when the next PC using the register where the next access is a read operation is not in the instruction buffer, or it is waiting for a compute operation with latency of 13 to 16 clock cycles. Next, the register is in shallow sleep mode when it is waiting for a short latency ALU operation, or the instruction is fetched into the instruction buffer. Register is switched on as soon as it is marked ready by the warp scheduler, and it stays in the on mode till its contents are read by the collector unit, and it is switched on before the ALU or memory write back operation. Finally, we evaluate the leakage energy savings of Slumber with respect to baseline as well as the warp register file technique, where Slumber saves static energy of 94% compared to the baseline and 9% more energy compared to the warp register file work, with a minimal performance overhead of 1.2% compared to the baseline. Finally, we summarize our work by highlighting the major contributions. First, huge leakage energy savings were obtained using power gating and multiple undervolting levels. Second, a detailed analysis of the break-even time and overheads associated with the undervolting levels was done. Third, the static compiler analysis predicts the idle period length at runtime and determines the undervolting level to be applied. Third, the baseline register file was re-architected to incorporate the undervolting levels. Finally, Slumber saves static energy by 94%. Thank you for your attention.